guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fall Shein haul. So I ordered a couple things from Shein and I was like, why not make a video? I haven't taken out anything and I haven't seen what I got, so it's kind of gonna be like an unboxing type of video too, because I don't know like if anything's gonna fit or any of that, so you'll be opening it with me. So the first item I got are these leather pants, which I'm already wearing them right now. So I got these in a size 4. I give these ones a 4 out of 10 just because they could be tighter and a little bit more form-fitting, but I would still wear these out. I mean, I haven't worn them but I could see myself pairing this together. Okay, so the next item I got was actually a swimsuit, but I already wore this and I don't want to put it on camera because, you know, I don't want to show off the goodies that I don't have. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, it's just this white swimsuit suit. The top is in shambles right now, but I will insert a picture of me wearing it in California because I just got back from California and I wore it to the beach. It was really cute, but this is how it looks like. Just picture it being together right now. The next item I got is, oh, I remember this. Okay, so it's this top that has chains at the bottom, and this is like a cute, okay, don't mind the wrinkledness of it. It's a really cute trend going on right now, so I was excited that Shein had it. Okay, so this shirt actually fits perfectly. Like, I'm pretty tall and my arms are pretty long, so I usually have like a struggle finding shirts that actually like go all the way down, and these ones fit perfectly. Here's the back of it. So the back is cropped, and then this is cropped as well with a little upside down U. We'll for sure be wearing this once things open up, you know, once all this stuff dies down, because this is a look like with the black hair, with the black leather pants, with the black shirt. This is super. Okay, so the next item I got is this black top. I know like almost everything I think everything I've showed you has been black, but I swear I've got some color in there. I think it's like ruched in the front, so it's like the material that kind of like ruches in, and I feel like this is really popular, like even with the ruched type of pants, you know, like the stretchy pants or whatever. But yeah, this is how the back, don't mind my waist speed. So this is what the back looks like, and then this is the front, so it's kind of like backless, and it's definitely a shirt that you can't wear a bra with just because of the straps are so thin and because the sides are exposed and your back is definitely exposed. So if you're wearing this top, you just gotta free to knit. You gotta free, no bra, nothing, free to knit. Yeah, this one is a solid 9 out of 10. Something cute for maybe like a little date, like, or brunch, or if you're just going out like to the mall even. I could see myself wearing this pretty much anywhere. Okay, so the next item I got are these black mom jeans. So they're ripped at the knees. They have about 3 holes, a hole right here, a hole right here, and a hole right here. They actually fit really well. I didn't expect them to fit at all just because my waist is like pretty tiny. If you could tell, my legs are like kind of big, not really big, but yeah, this one actually fits the waist pretty good. They're a little bit short, but I'm 5'6", so I'm a little bit on the taller end, which is kind of expected for them to be like a little bit short, but they're not too bad. Like, honestly, I could just roll them a little bit at the ends. I can't really lift it. Roll it a little bit at the ends and we'd be good. With these ones, I was really scared to order jeans off of here because I usually only get my jeans like at Hollister because of the stretch, but yeah, these ones are pretty good. They're not really stretchy, but you still have some type of movement in them. Like, they're not super stiff and they're not super tight. So besides the black jeans, I finally switched it up and I got some blue color jeans, which they're also mom jeans, and I got, oh yeah, the black jeans, they were in a size medium, and these ones are in a size 6. Okay, so my first impression of them was correct. They are really big, so in these ones, I definitely would have needed a size 4. As you can see, all this room that I have in the front is not pleasant at all. Like, it doesn't make the booty look extra flat. So yeah, these ones I definitely would have needed to size down, but I feel like they are supposed to be a little bit bigger, but this part right here, this is just like too much. So I can either get them tailored, which I feel like is a harder option, or I can give them away to a friend. So the rating I give on these ones is a 2, just because I can't see myself wearing them. But if you're a little bit you know, you have a little bit more meat on your bones, a little bit more curvier, I feel like these ones will fit you perfectly. So with these ones, I say size down, because there's a lot a lot of space in these ones. Fall, I finally got something that's long sleeve. So it's just this white shirt with a little zipper in the front. So if you want to show a little bit more, zip it down. If you want to be conservative, zip that hoe up. But yeah, this one I got in a size 6. Okay, so after putting it on, I actually realized that this is perfect. It fits my arm length perfectly. It could be a little bit tighter, but honestly this one would do. So getting a size 6 was a good idea. So I decided to zip mine down a little bit, but it also looks pretty cute zipped up. It's just a basic, something that you need in your closet. It's not like it's a staple. It's not something that you really pop out with, but it's something that you just keep just to pair with basic denim or any of that type of sort. So yeah, this one is an 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so this is my last piece that I chose out, and I want to say I kind of saved like the best for last, just because if you know me, then you know that I love diamonds and I love rhinestones. So this is just a tank top that says baby girl on it, but the bottom is what gets me. The bottom has rhinestones all layered across it, and it has like this one little piece at the bottom that just hangs. So this one you'll definitely see me in, and this one is for sure a 10 out of 10. So I decided to get a little waist bead. So as you can see, I don't really want to take it out because I don't plan on wearing it soon. Gold waist bead with little triangle accents. This would be super cute with a white tank top and some jeans, something really plain. If you're gonna wear something plain, this would definitely make your outfit pop out. So okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys see some pieces that you could see yourself buying, and comment down below which shirt or which pants was your favorite, or which outfit in general. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.